Hi, I'm Bob the Baker. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. First step is preheat the oven to 350 degrees and microwave the butter until it's just about liquid. I've already got that done, so we're going to add our sugars. We're going to add 1 cup of white sugar and a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. I've got a cup of white sugar here and the brown sugar.
The whisk, not the spoon.
And we're going to whisk it together.
Cream.
We're going to cream it together. That looks creamy. Next we're going to add the vanilla and the eggs. I get 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Okay. 2 teaspoons.
Was that not 2? Maybe that was a 2 teaspoon size. I need to empty some of that out. And 2 eggs. We're going to mix that for 10 or 15 seconds, just until it's incorporated. We don't want to mix too much. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients. We have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt, all in the same bowl. And then we have a cup and a half of chocolate chips that we'll add after we add all of this. Don't want to dump it all in at once, because I'm told it's a pain in the butt. So we're going to do a little bit at a time with the fast forward section here. Hey, I'm making cookies. You're going to be in the video if you climb in here too far.
Wait, Papa.
Yeah, yeah, we're making cookies. Do you want one? Do you want one?
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Hey. Cheese.
Hi. Tell them, hey, tell them chocolate chips now. We can add the chocolate chips now.
Cheese.
Chocolate chips.
She says cheese.
Where's Mom?
Do you want one?
Mom.
Here you go.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Cheese.
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 Cheese. That's getting crumbly. chocolate chip cookies.
Come on. Come on.
You want more?
Dad.
That's it.
Papa,
No mas.
I'm sweet some more.
Well, we have some more cookies in a bit. We gotta put these in the oven for
Mommy, ding. Sis. Something.
that's probably good.
Uh-oh. Sis. Mama, sis. Wow.
Okay. Think that's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Mama,
That's good.
Dad, Papa.
Yay! Making cookies.
Oh, Papa. What are you doing?
I'm just making cookies.
Papa. Oh, that's a Papa.
You're welcome.
Papa.
Oh, don't eat it yet. Not yet.
What?
Not yet.
Why?
Because they gotta cook.
Papa, what do we do? Mom, did that Papa Robert? Oh,
Somebody just say Grandpa Robert.
Papa.
Don't eat. I'll give you. You got a chocolate chip.
Well, good, Papa.
Hey.
Good.
Okay. Now we gotta bake this for 9 to 11 minutes. We're gonna cook these 9 to 11 minutes until they're puffy and look dry.
I'll push that.
Papa.
Eat it. Is it gross? Is it yummy?
Mmm. Give Grandpa a bite.
Mmm. Uh-oh. They probably party, huh? Good, get it. Nom. There you go. It must be good. Cheese.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.